How are you?
I'm good.
You guys are going to 5th Street?
Yeah.
Okay.
Smell good in here, bro.
Thank you.
No problem. Did she just hit Jamie, bro? Call Jamie. You just hit the fuck out of Jamie, bro.
No, she must have.
Do you guys want me to stay or go?
No, you can go. They ain't
Okay.
got shit to do with us.
Just want to make sure.
Damn, it should've been us. I know that's Keandra.
What the fuck? Tweaking, bro.
She
What
must
the
have hit somebody.
I was watching them both.
I think she hit them, right?
I waved the silver car by, but the silver car did not pay attention to the red car coming behind the silver car.
Oh.
So the red car took out the silver car. So they're both going to be duking it out about who hit who.